One funny thing about a Ghana language called Ga and a Nigerian language called Igbo. Ghana language called Ga, one word can mean different things, and the only difference would be how you have shaped your face to say it and how you have toned your voice to say it. Take for instance the word kwe. If your face is neutral and your voice is neutral and you say kwe, you are basically calling somebody's attention. This same word can be threatening simply by you frowning your face like a Ga man and then turning your voice to bass. Kwe. Now it means you are warned, and you cannot use it to threaten to beat somebody by telling the person, Kwe. And this same word can become very, very pleasant simply by you unfrowning your face and putting on a smile. And then removing the bass and talk like a small boy. Kwe. Now it means you are expressing happiness. And you cannot use it for somebody playing football and the person scores and you go like, Kwe. Igbo language. One word can mean so many things. And the only difference will be the dynamics. Take for instance, the word A-K-W-A. This word can be pronounced as aqua, which means bed. The same word cannot be pronounced as aqua, it now becomes cry. It cannot be pronounced as aqua, it now becomes cloth. It cannot be pronounced as aqua, it will now become egg or sewing. So if you want to say these words in Igbo language, Madam Seamstress, are you crying because the chicken laid egg on top of the cloth that you sewed that is on the bed? It will sound like this. That's why there are so many good singers in Igbo